Hey guys, it's Joe from VMP. We're here with Braylon's 2012 Mustang GT. We just got done installing a VMP Stage 2 kit on the car with a VMP Gen2R Supercharger and a 79mm pulley. Let's get it up on the dyno and see what it does. We just got done dialing Braylon's car in. The car made 666 horsepower, 574 pound-feet of torque with that 79mm pulley on the VMP Gen2R Supercharger. The car also has a VMP twin 67mm throttle body, a PMOS 120mm cold air intake, a set of long tubes, a VMP fuel pump voltage booster, and a JLT catch can on the driver's side of the cold air. All in all, the car made really good power, had some good quality fuel in this thing when he brought it in. It's worth mentioning that Braylon actually picked up one of our vacation packages, so drove the car to us from out of town. We handed him the keys to a hotel room for a couple days over by New Smyrna Beach. He got to hang out. We got the car taken care of for him, got him making some horsepower, and all that's left is pick the car up and go have fun. If you want to have a kit like this installed on your car or want to pick up one of our vacation packages and hang out while you're down here, make sure you hit up the sales and support staff. They can get you hooked up with anything you need, whether it's just a supercharger, cold air intakes, anything like that. And if you want to see more content like this, make sure you hit that like, share, and subscribe button and hit the bell for notifications.